So Kenyans have registered, as of last night, 30.6 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority. It's working.
Oriri thuthuria wa ungumania wa cothiete na mbere na kunyita thinga. Minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale ahithũrĩtie atĩ makĩria ma thibitarĩ 1,200 nĩ irĩkĩtie kũhingwo igĩkuruhanio na kugumia kĩgĩna gĩa SHA na arũgamĩrĩri acio makahingũrĩrwo thitango. Agĩcokia ciũria mbunge-inĩ ya Senate, Duale augĩte gũkinyĩria rĩu wabici ya mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ nĩ yamũkĩrĩte makĩria ma bairo 24 na harĩ icio ciothe 18 nĩ itwarĩtwo igoti-inĩ na arĩa makuruhanĩtio makahingũrĩrwo thitango.
We have closed over 1,200 facilities. The DPP has received over 24 files, of which I think 18 of them, including 2 former CEOs of SHA and NHIF, have been taken to court, and many staff of NHIF, SHA, and even the regulatory bodies like KMPDC who register. As we sit here, the DCI has close to 81 files, of which last week he has submitted 24 more files to the DPP.
Kũringana na Duale, thibitari iria irĩkĩtie kũhingwo nĩ 13 kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma, thibitari kuma kaunti-inĩ cia Mandera, Kisii, Migori, Homa Bay na Wajir ikĩrĩkana nĩ citongoretie harĩ kũgeria kugumia kĩgĩna gĩa SHA.
We will not relent on fraud. We closed, and the senator for Bungoma will agree with me. We closed Bungoma West Hospital. We closed 13. Calvary Hospital in Bungoma. We closed, and let me say it for the avoidance of doubt, so that the senators from those areas can listen to me. We have flagged out 5 counties as the epicenter of fraud.
Duale ugĩte ũthũrimi wa marĩhi ma SHA rĩu nĩ ũrakũrĩrwo maitho makĩria, akĩũria atongoria kũnyita mbaru mĩhang'o ĩno handũ ha kũmuha kũhingũra thibitarĩ iria ciahingwo.
If you claim for a maternity and your claim for one document called birth notification is missing, that claim is rejected. The only thing that can tell us a child has been born is if you produce a legal document called birth notification. So we're fighting fraud, and I really want the leadership here to help me fight fraud. When I close a hospital, please don't call me. I have seen many people calling me, but I have refused to call. I have refused to budge. On fraud, I will not. And because you cannot steal patients' money meant for the Kenyan patients. If you want to steal, go steal the money meant for roads and water. But somebody who's on a hospital bed, I'm not saying you should even steal for roads.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Matthew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.